My father also tells a story after the war when so many Jewish refugees were just walking the streets and you're looking for family, you're looking for friends. And how did you know that somebody was Jewish? So my father said that you will walk along the road, and if you will see somebody come on the side way, and you will say to yourself, oh, maybe he's Jewish. So he will go by and he will say, Amkho. Amkho means your people. In Hebrew, it's Amcha, but in Yiddish, Amkho. So if that person understood the word, he will answer Amkho, and they will start talking, and where are you from, and which village, and what happened to you during the war. So the word Amkho was a very common password, kind of, between Jews to identify themselves as being Jewish.